If you want to cancel your DAZN free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account setting. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile icon or a settings gear. Step 3. Find subscription details. In account settings, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this to view your current subscription status. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your subscription or free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, ensure you receive a confirmation email or notification. This will verify that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and that you won't be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your DAZN free trial. Make sure to do it before the trial period ends to avoid any charges.